Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 gaming coins by market cap. We're going to start with ICP at number 1, followed by IMX, SAN, AXS, GALA, APE, FLOKI, Illuvium, Enjin, and then we'll end it with GMT at number 10. Let's get straight into it. ICP against BTC. We have already hit all the targets. Ta-da! This was a target which we acquired. When was this? When was this target acquired? Way back on the 8th of August, and yeah, it's really August, September, two months to hit its target. So there you go. We've already hit 3 targets though, from the previous look over here, right? This was the only one that we have not hit. There's also another one here, tonight. Excuse me. Sub $3. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, we've already hit all targets for ICP BTC. So what's next for ICP? Is there a reversal in the cards? Ooh. The thing is that this low, right? We were at, if you look over here, we were at, where is this? 1010, right? We were anticipating it to go under 1000, hence the alert over here. I have an alert over here waiting for ICP BTC to go under 1000. So maybe after under 1000 we might see some volume coming in, right? And we might even make a move for ICP. But at this point of time, yeah, we're still not entirely sure. So we're gonna be waiting patiently for some clarity first, right? Under 1000 doesn't mean that we are going to go under this low as well. This could very well already be the lows for ICP because we've already run out of downside targets, and you can see that buying pressure has started coming in to push the price higher. So now the question remains, will we be building a very nice foundation first before breaking higher, or are we going to be just I don't think so. I think more likely than not we should be building a proper foundation first before heading higher for ICP. And ICP is nearing the skinny pink line. Hopefully we make preparations for a clean break above it in parallel towards a resistance line. Oh, that would be awesome. An ascending triangle. Woohoo! And then we could be breaking higher. That would be awesome. But ICP is quite a sad case. Sad in the sense that ICP's high was like 345, I think. Almost 350, down to 35, down to $3.50. So it's like 90% twice, right? So that's why it's you have to be very careful about rushing into a trade, right? We still don't see any clear signs of a bullish reversal, but the best bullish case that could come for ICP is we form inverse head and shoulders over here with a right shoulder above the skinny pink line. That would be awesome. But again, this will probably be several months away. By the time it comes, it could be March, April 2024. And the spike out might only come in like December, maybe. So again, we're purely guessing at this point of time. We're still not entirely sure. You could look back in the past where there were rallies, but we just kept dropping lower, rallies, but we just kept dropping lower, right? Rallies, lower. So this rally could also result in lower moves as well. We just don't see the bullish reversal yet. We are aware of the potential, but it still needs to complete first, right? Before we call it a proper bullish reversal chart pattern. ImmutableX, IMX against BTC. Here we are for IMX. Keep dropping lower. This was already a very nice consolidation, right? Just because you see a very nice consolidation accumulation doesn't mean we're going to be continuing higher, right? We broke above the skinny pink line, but we got slapped back down. And now we're already under the skinny pink line. So yeah, we remain with a bearish bias. However, again, just like ICP, you could get a big inverse head and shoulders over here. Very big one. They could bring us very high for IMX. But it needs to happen first, right? And if and when this does happen, it's going to be next year. Probably summer, right? Gaming summer of 2024. Ooh, that'll be awesome. But at this point of time, yeah, we're still not entirely sure. So we'll take things one step at a time, right? Even at this point of time, we could have, formed a very nice squeeze here, but we kept forming lower lows. So yeah, there's still weakness all around, and you can see the sell coming in. We could still take out these lows. So there could still be new lows for IMX BTC. Against USD, IMX is still fairly weak. Again, this was a very nice inverse head and shoulders, but we invalidated it, right? It was a fake breakout. And after that, we got slapped back down. So Yeah, IMX's chart looks pretty ugly. Sand against BTC. Here we are for Sand. Again, see, respect the trend. As long as we are under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias. Could we be reversing soon? Sure. But again, we need to see the buying pressure come in first. Then after the buying pressure comes in, we want to see accumulation. Then after accumulation happens, we want to see the break of the skinny pink line. Once you break the skinny pink line, we want to see the price consolidate above the skinny pink line for a continuation towards the upside. So I think this is still months away. But of course, who knows, you know, the next minute or the next hour after you watch this video, Sand might see a super rally, but yeah, nope. So we're going to be very patient and wait for the signal first. Sand against USD, also fairly weak. Yes, there's a rally, but there have been many rallies in the past where we zip lower, rally, zip lower, right? Rally, zip lower, rally, right? This is a rally as well. So again, how much lower are we going to go? We don't know. Any clear signs of a bullish reversal chart pattern? No. So we're going to have to next the Sandbox. AXS Axie Infinity. It was so hyped when it came around in 2021. Super hyped, and it just, yeah, it's just fizzling back down. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. Still under the skinny pink line? Yeah. Bearish trend? Yeah. AXS against USD, still in a bearish trend. We're still anticipating $3.65 to be hit. So this will be a little bit lower. We're at 5.28. We were very close to it at $4, right? But yeah, again, we don't see any clear signs of a reversal chart pattern yet. So we're gonna be very, very careful about rushing into a trade for Axie Infinity. GALA against BTC. What's happening? Again, under the skinny pink line, remain with a bearish bias. Wait for the bullish reversal. Right. GALA against USDT. Here we are for GALA. Anything? Okay, there's some buying pressure, right? Again, there was also buying pressure over here, but we went lower. Could this be a different one? Yeah, sure, of course. Any clear signs of a reversal chart pattern? No. How much higher? Again, we're not too sure. So we're gonna have to next GALA. We need more information first, maybe in the next few weeks. ApeCoin, Ape against BTC. Here we are for Ape. Again, also in a downwards trend. But I have a strange feeling Ape's downwards trend could be about to end. Ape against USDT. Yeah, so this is where Ape is. Right, there was a head and shoulders over here. You see it. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Boom! We drop lower. We drop to slightly under $1. Right now, again, there's a rally, but is this the rally to end all rallies, or are we going to be coming back down, lower low? Again, we're not entirely sure. So again, even for Ape, we need more information. FLOKI against USDT. We look at it on Gate. So for FLOKI, hey, we're back above the skinny pink line. Right, when it was down, we remained with a bearish bias. Now it's up again. It's like, oh, okay. So is FLOKI gonna form something like this, or are we gonna get a cup and handle? Again, we're not too sure. There's some selling pressure, but if we could consolidate over here, FLOKI could be heading higher, which means that this could very well be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this cannot be a no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my guess for FLOKI. That's my guess. Again, we're not entirely sure though. We just broke back up above the skinny pink line. We are already overbought. We're probably gonna have to consolidate a little bit first before heading any higher. Again, there's also a danger that we could also hit a little bit lower, right? Form something clearer and nicer. But yeah, again, not much actionable information for FLOKI. Illuvium against BTC. Here we are for Illuvium. Again, also in the downwards trend. When is this trend going to end? That's the question we're asking. Against USD, okay. Against USD, Illuvium might have something, right? You could pull a resistance line across. Okay, let me just check the other exchanges on whether. Okay, let's look at it on crypto. Oh, okay, it exists. It exists. Illuvium, USDT. Let's go back to Binance. Yeah. So this week exists all over, and we could be completing a squeeze over here, right? Holding could be an A, up, B, down, C. You see how we are following the skinny pink line? You see how the price is moving in parallel to the skinny pink line. At first, it was pulling away, and after that, it started to close the gap, right? There was a huge gap here, huge gap. Oh, okay, and after that, it started getting closer and closer. So I suspect the Illuvium whales might be making preparations to make a move towards the upside, potentially. So this could pull all the way to here, the confluence area, and after that we break higher. But this is still a few months away though. So again, it depends on what happens over here. I can also start seeing valleys, right? Valleys. Although it's lower lows as well, right? Lower low. Maybe this could be the next higher low. The start of a new trend change. Potentially. So yeah, we are keeping an eye out on Illuvium, but again, it's gonna take several weeks to complete. Enjin Coin, ENJ against BTC. Here we are for Enjin. Yeah, again, still in a downward trend. No clear signs of a proper reversal yet, right? Enjin is very, I feel it's very random at this point of time, right? But this is a falling channel, falling wedge kind of a chart pattern. So if and when we break back up above the skinny pink line, things could switch bullish. Against USD, yeah, okay. Illuvium is stronger than Enjin in the sense that it's above this low, right? So it's actually forming a squeeze because it's a higher low. But for Enjin, it's different. Enjin is a lower low and a lower low and a lower low as well. So it's like, there is still overall weakness for Enjin. Sure, we're aware there's a rally, and sure, we're aware that things could start reversing back up. But yeah, if I were to take a bet, right, between all of these coins, I would still stick to Illuvium. I think Illuvium is pretty strong, right, compared to the top 10 over here. But Enjin, yeah, maybe one fine day, but at this point of time, nope. Next, GMT against BTC. Here we are for GMT. Still in a bearish trend. No clear signs of a proper tradable chart pattern. GMT against USD. Also, again, there's nothing much for GMT, right? So we are aware there's a rally, but there are many rallies that kept dropping lower and lower, right? You can argue that this is already 5 waves that's already completed. We could be in the very beginning of a, again, new trend change, but we still need to see the sideways move first, right? Usually when a trend ends, we go sideways for a while before going back up. So yeah, I need to see this. I still need to see this first. So yeah, we're going to be very, very careful. Again, Illuvium is the only one, in my opinion, of the top 10 that has quite a good potential to form a accumulation completion to break out towards the upside. So we're going to have to see how things go in the coming weeks. All right, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's Top Game 5 TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.